Welcome. If you want to record sounds in your OnePlus Nord N10 5G, at first you have to go for the sound recorder. You can find it right here in the menu. After that we have to accept permissions and then click on the switcher, go back and tap right here to start record. And right now we can just finish this record, then check the quality. So click here. Right now we are able to rename this record and click right here. And right now we can just finish this record, then check the quality. And that's how it sounds. Thank you guys for watching. Leave thumbs ups, comments and subscribe to our channel. See ya!